Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Omotola Odili. In this video we're just going to quickly make yam flour. I think it's dough they call it in, I don't know, in English. We're going to be using yam flour powder to make amala. Okay, my water is boiled already, so I'm going to come in with the flour. There's my flour. The amount you pour in would the water you have will determine the amount of powder you're going to pour in. So I'm not making much, so I'm putting just the right amount for my water. Okay. We turn and turn and turn. Okay. And my water has cooled down a little bit before I pour the flour. So I have to turn a little bit longer so it can be done. I always turn my amala on the floor. I'll place if you have a mat you place on the floor. I'm going to place a rag on the floor. I'll put the pot on it and I'll turn the amala in between my legs. Okay, yeah, I think it's ready to be turned on the floor. Okay, so I have a rag and I'll place it on the floor and give it a good turn, guys. All right, guys, I just came back from church. I didn't even change. You can see the shoe I'm wearing, and a good day I'll put on the slippers. Hopefully I will not break my sandal. So this is how I turn it in between my legs, and after this I'll pop it back on the hob, put little water and let it steam for 1 to 2 minutes. Then I'll bring it back down to turn it for the last time. Okay. Just a little water. This is what we call toner. This is toner orogun. This is kota ibako. Yeah. So I'm just gonna swipe all the sides down so everything can steam all together. Okay. Don't know why I didn't change my clothes from church. Okay, I think I was, yeah, I'm thinking of making a video. Okay, I'm shooting some video, that's why I didn't change. If I change now, I'm not going to do the video again. So yeah, that's why I left my clothes on. Hopefully I'll do it. Okay, so we leave this to steam up. Where is the cover of my clothes? Can't find it. Okay. So right now we leave it to steam. I need to cover it. I need to look for the cover. I don't know where it is. Let me use this one. Okay. Yeah. I guess we are doing a vlog. Is it vlog they call it? Vlog. We are vlogging Amala this afternoon. Okay, today's Sunday. Just came back from church. Doing Amala vlog. Yeah. Doing Amala vlog. Okay, we're going to turn it now until when we can't see any water in it. Okay. It's just more or less like turning it, mixing the water into the dough, right? What is Amala called in English? If anyone knows, please put it in the comment section for me. We call it Amala, and I think it's the powder is yam flour, or it's made from yam. But what is this one now? Should we call it a dough? Some people say it's solid. What's solid? So I think there should be a name for it. Yeah. If you know the name they call this in English, please do to put in the comment section for me. Yeah. Okay, and it's ready. I'll put it back down, give it a good turning, and our amala is ready. Okay. All right. One last turn, guys. I hope I'm not going to break my sander this afternoon. Oh my, it's so hard to turn with this sander. Okay, so this turning makes it so soft when you're eating it. It makes it fluffy. Yeah, that's the word. It makes it fluffy. My shoe is not allowing me to turn it like I used to do. All right, let me bend my leg. Okay, that's it, guys. All right, and we are good to go. We're gonna serve it now, guys. I hope we've picked one or two things from this video today. I'm just doing like a food vlog, let's say Amala vlog, because it's not the normal video, video stuff. Just came back from church and I'm thinking of making some video. That's why I didn't take off my dress. So, and it's what time now? We came back around some minutes to 3 and I needed to make some lunch. So yeah, so I've done us some amala. I'm warming the vegetable soup now that we're going to use, then I'll serve it. I'm going to show us how I'm going to serve it. Okay, I'll come back to you. So I want to quickly show us if the food you're making, people are not ready to eat it, it's okay to dish it in a cling film like this, and yeah, then you can place this in a flask or cooler that will keep it warm till when the person is ready. Okay, so this is my flask. You place some a hand towel, a clean one, please, clean hand towel. Then you put the amala in and you just cover it up like that, and that will keep it warm till when the eater is ready for it. Okay, it's time to serve the amala. I'm going with the kids one first. Okay, before the older kid, not before the little kid. Okay, yeah, that looks a bit much. Okay, now we've got this vegetable soup. I'm going to be having it with. In this soup I've got mushrooms, I've got shrimps, I've got dry fish, stockfish, Yeah, I'll go macro. So now I'll go in with the sauce. I'm still warming the sauce. My stew is ready. Ready. So I have these and I have these. Smells so good. And that's lunch serve, guys. Thank you all for watching. I hope you've learned one or two things from this video, and I'll see you some other time. Please don't forget to like, to share, to comment, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new on this channel. And I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all, and I'll see you some other time. Have a lovely evening. Bye. Just thought we should, taste the food together, guys, because you've watched me cook the meal. Yeah, cheers. This kind of delicacy we use hand and eating it, guys. So yeah, you wash your hands clean and you get on with your food. See you later. Bye.